Bukol. Bukol. Burns. Burns. Kachero. Ang daming absent. Kachero.
Sir, present.
Okay.
Kachero.
Present. Pukuda.
Present, sir. Sir Bukol, presence mo.
Presence. Bukol. Ano pa? Galvez Mark.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Gambon. Gambon? Wala pa.
Present po, sir.
Present. Tama. Present. Burns. Wala pa si Burns. Burns. Wala. Gatchalian.
Sir, present.
Gongora. Gongora?
Present, sir.
Present. Marzan. Hernais.
Sir, present.
Marzan.
Present, sir.
Mosquito.
Sir, present.
Naantok pa. Navarro.
Sir, present.
Rapanot.
Sir, present.
Rivera.
Present, sir.
Samson.
Sir, present.
Taradel. Wala. Okay, wala. Torres.
Present, sir.
Mendoza.
Sir, present.
Kinson. Wala. Villanueva.
Present, sir.
Group 2. May 12. Makabitas.
Present, sir.
Naantok.
Agtrangkasok, sir.
No.
Agtrangkasok.
Ketwel. Marquez.
Present, sir.
Ordilio.
Sir, present.
Tan. Kent. Absent. Abenoha.
Present po, sir.
Bangawil, absent. Kabigas.
Present, sir.
Kabe. Absent. Kuepo. Wala din. Dami ng absent ni Kuepo. Marquez. Jomilet Lopez. Wala. And Pagaduan. Present. Okay, so check ko na lang ulit yung attendance nyo later.
Sir, Taradel nga sir.
Taradel.
Sir, Taradel, sir.
Ayun, Taradel.
Yes, sir.
Present. Okay.
Present.
Burns, wala. Kinson, wala. Tan, Bangawil, Kabe, Kuepo, Marquez. Okay, so let's go na to our Google Classroom. So, hindi muna ako magbibigay ng activity, although magbibigay muna ako ng mga in advance topics. Kasi I want you to focus on your exam kasi 6 lang ang nag-turn in and yung iba hindi pa nakapag-exam. And even in our activities, kompleto naman ata section 1 and section 2, I think. Okay, so Nga pala no, section 1 and section 2. Baka makalimutan ko na naman yung section 1. So section 1, take enter MySQL. So topic. Okay, copy, paste. Okay. Okay, so anyway, I'll be posting na lang yung mga modules natin. Okay, so let me remind you, our exam due date is until May 14 for the section 1. Midterm 6 pa lang ang nag-turn in, but anyway, our deadline of your midterm exam will be this coming Friday, May 14. So hindi muna ako magbibigay ng activity ngayon. Okay, but I want you to focus on your exam and as well as in our activities. Okay. And then for the midterm, for the final, we'll be focusing in Tkinter and MySQL. I have here some of the resources, references. So first is we have this one. Ito na-try ko na to. This one, na-try ko na siya. So I'll be demonstrating how to create this one. Although kulang pa pala ng iba. Okay. So we have the sharptutorial.com. We have also csharpcorner.com. Okay. Python, tama. Though yung ito hindi ko pa na-try. Tama, Tkinter din siya. And then we have also the itsourcecode.com. Okay. So those are my references, but then again you can venture other references and then try. Now first is you need to install. So basically you have to install the SAMP for the database, and then you need to install also the MySQL connector, this one. Okay, so my SAMP is running. Then go to your, for example, in my computer unit, my Python is located at drive C, users, faculty, and nakalipit ito, faculty app data. Yung app data. Yung app data, and then local programs, and then Python 39. Python 39. Okay, so this is my directory of my Python. So first you have to go to your command prompt. So this is my command prompt, and then you have to go to your directory. So what I did is I go to my directory, see user faculty, cd app data, cd local, cd programs, cd python, cd python 39. Okay, and then we have this command. You have to install the MySQL connector. Just copy and then paste. Yan. So although I've already installed it a while ago, yan. And then after that, open your IDE shell Python, and then create a new file. So for example here, let's try to create a new file. So first, ito muna. Okay. Although this is complete, almost complete. Ayan. Copy, and then paste. Then save. Let's try. Include student.py. Save. And then looking at our activity manual in our reference, we have here the 4 variables. We have the host, username, password, and then the database name. So in your PHP MyAdmin, you have to create your database. So you can modify this one. Okay. You can modify this one. Okay, so first we have the local host. That is the under the privileges or user. Okay. So for example here, I have the database. My database is school. So I created this database is school, and then the table name based from this reference is what? Select roll number from student. So this is the table name, student. So I also created this one, and then we have the following columns. Based also here, so we have here insert into student roll number. We have roll number, we have first name, we have last name, phone number, city, state, and age. We have those column names or columns there. And then we have also the so we have the database name, we have the table name, we have the following columns. Now if you click our database is good, you can see privileges. So here we use the default host name and username and password. So once you install the SAMP, this is all auto-generated, the privileges, user accounts. We have local host, they are local host, and then we have username root, and then we have the default password is empty or null, and then and so on. Okay, and here let me remove muna. I'll be discussing this line by line later on. So let's try run the program. Yeah, we have here some errors. So if in case that there are some errors, you need to read the error. For example here, CRUD student py line 15. So you have to go line 15. So you can see here in our status bar, so this is our status bar, line 13, 14, 15, image.png. So image.png. So if you take a look at our directory, we don't have that file. So wala tayong file na ganun. So we have to create. So for example, this one, image, and then our extension name is png. Okay. Yeah. Then let's try it again. Okay, run. Okay, so wala na tayong error. Pero kulang pa. So this is the image. So yun. Roll number 1, 2, 3, first name, okay, A, then register. Record inserted. Here, student, yun, A, roll number 1, 2, 3. And then how about delete? So we have 1, 2, 3. delete 1 2 3. So delete, deleted, and then 3 4 5, then let's make it Z. Update. So record updated. So it's working. Okay, this is working. Good. Okay, so this is my source code. So grid. Okay, good. All good. Okay, so for the meantime, I'm not be giving you an activity for this week. So do you have any question, class?